Hello, everybody, and welcome to Sons of the Forest. Now, I have never played this game, but I've originally played it on the PS4 and the PS5, but I've actually never beaten it, so hoping to beat this game. So, yeah, let's get into it. Alright, here we go. What is that down there? So, right off the bat, immediately I can see, like, fire kind of things. So, we're not the only ones on the island then. Alright, like right off the bat. Well, I mean, obviously, because, there's the cannibals, but... Never mind, I'm gonna edit that out. But anyways. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, so we're on like some sort of operation. Edward Puffton, Barbara Puffton, and Virginia Puffton. Interesting. Alright. Let's see what happens here. Fight demons. Alright, I guess we're fighting our demons. Uh-oh, what's going on? Wait, we got shot down. Wait, we got shot down. Whoa, so like by bullets. Oh dear, what's going on? We okay? So what's going on? Holy. Oh, I mean, he's still alive. What are you doing? Bro, you're gonna die. Bro. Bro, you're actually. Bro. Well, is that gonna be us? Climb up or something, dog. Why? Why would you do that? Bro. Is this guy a genius or something? What? Who is that? Whoa!
Now who invited you here?
Who is that? Is that our actual... What? Is he the one that shot us down? Wait, what? That's Whoa. Okay. Whoa, right off the bat, the game looks beautiful. Compared to, like, when I played on the PlayStation, this is beautiful. What is that? Who is that? There's Cannibal? Hello? Can I help you? I can. Oh, Kelvin. Let's see. Oh no. Are you deaf? Oh, so how? What? There we go.
Welcome. Welcome to Earth. Welcome. Bitch, I'm lucky, but I'm cute.
Oh. Wait, can you do stuff for us? That's... Alright, we'll make you take a break, because, gotta recover from that hard hit. You gotta recover from that hard hit. I'm gonna edit that out. Anyways. Grenade? What? Batteries? So they just give us this stuff off the bat? Whoa, tarp? Zipline rope? Medicine. How do I open? Oh. Tell me. Crafting spear. Yeah, we should make that. How do you make that? 2 sticks, tape, and knife. How do I aim this thing? Oh, it has like an actual indicator.
Splash.
Alright. I'm so sorry for doing that to you. What is this? What are you? You're just a glonk? Okay, well, that mini-map, we're like right by a cave, I think that is. So, I'm gonna go explore that cave. Oh my gosh, scared the hell out of me. Okay, well, we've made it to the cave. But I'm not sure exactly what to expect. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at all the loot we have here. Yeah, look at them. They're so nice. They're so nice of them. Like, you know, giving me an indicator where I'm at. Oh. Hello? Is anyone here? Let's see. I don't see any. What was that? I don't even know that. Let's use this. Ah, it's lovely. That's nice. Whoa, I'm not dealing with y'all. Okay, I am not ready for that cave. I need to, like, you know? I gotta gear up. I gotta get, like... Did they have the katana in this game? I hope they have the katana in this game. What up, Kelvin? How you doing? How's your day? That's nice. So, what do we do now? My bad, bro. I was just trying to make some conversation. Well, let's take a quick look at the map. Well, there's like a little patch over there. You think there's a civilization? Follow me. Come on, let's go. They might be friendly. Let's go check them out. Let's go pop our heads in and say hi. Okay, we're approaching. So we have to be a little careful here. No one's here? Well, I mean, they left us some very friendly indicators. Oh, there's a bridge up there. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna go check that out after, okay? Alright. Is it just like is it just a bridge? Who uses this bridge? Equip my GPS tracker. There we go. Find Team B and find the Puffkin family. Okay. So now we gotta find 2 people. Or groups of people, I guess. Okay. Oh my god, you scared me. I didn't even see you there. My bad. Alright, we're here. Oh. Okay. What's that on the map? What is that? It's like pulsing. It's like begging me to go. Alright, we'll go check it out. Oh, golf carts? Can you drive it? Whoa. Alright, Kelvin. Should we stay here? Or should we... Uh-oh. You're actually kidding me. You're genuinely kidding me. You're actually... Bro! Right up, Calvin. What the fuck is that? What is that? What is that? Are you a cannibal? Where'd you go? Come back. No, come back. You wanna mess with me? Come on. Where'd you go? Okay. I was just kidding, bro. I was just kidding. Relax. You got that. You got that. Ew! Alright, Calvin. Here's what I'm gonna need you to do. I need you to not look behind you. Yo! What the hell? Nah, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna go get your get back. Nah, cause they think shit's sweet. Yeah, where? I don't see him. Oh my. Where'd they go? Bro. Nah, you think shit's sweet, huh? Bitch, you think shit's sweet, huh? Yo! Just killed 2 of them motherfuckers. Aloe vera? Wait, say you swear. You say you swear. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, who are you? No, excuse me. Yeah, you better fuck off. You came on my private property. This is my property now. Calvin, I don't think going over this is a great idea. Who knows? Who knows what they're up to? But yeah, Calvin. You see them? Hey guys, how you doing? No, come back. I just want to say hi. I just want to say hi. Whoa! How did you do that? Alright, so to end off this video, we're gonna go explore a cave real quick. I know y'all are probably tired of seeing me just build my layout. So, what cave? Did we go up to that cave? I'm not sure if we went up to that cave. Okay. We've made it. What the hell? Oh my gosh, fuck you. Is this Team B? I'll take that. Oh my gosh. Is this Team B? Alright. Is it zipline? I have zipline. Why can't I use it? Hello? Okay, so I searched it up and it turns out I need a zipline gun. I have no idea how to do that. Well, that's the bummer. I guess Cave Exploring's gonna have to wait for the next episode. On that note, well, that about wraps up our video for today. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and maybe subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.